Hello everyone. Today we're going to recognize the letter W. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter W. What sound does the W make? It makes the w sound. Shall we write the W letter? We're going to start from the top, all the way down to the bottom, up again to the middle, down, and then up again to the top line. Letter W. Shall we write the w sound? Again, we're going to start from the top, all the way down, back up to the middle, down again, and up to the top. Well done. W sound. Can you see the letter W? Let's name the letters. K, W, E. Can you point to the W letter? Well done. Great work. Three more letters. Let's find the W letter. J, O, W. Can you point to the W letter? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Now, can you see the W sound? Let's say the sound. P, W, H. Can you point to the W sound? Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Now three more sounds. Let's find the W sound. G, K, W. Can you point to the W sound? Fantastic. Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Now we have lots of letters here. We're going to find the W and color it. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's find the first W. Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. We found 3 W's. Well done. Super work. Fantastic. Yep, let's color that in as well. Fantastic. Are there any more? Yes, well done. Now we found all the W letters. Fantastic job, well done. Now we have lots of sounds here, and we're going to find the W sound and color it. Let's have a look. Fantastic, you found the first W sound. Super job, well done. Great work, well done. Fantastic, well done. Yep, there's another one there, well done. Another W sound. Are there any more? Yeah, we have the last one down here. Fantastic. We found all the W sounds. Which picture starts with the W sound? Let's name the pictures. Door. Window. Gate. It's not the door or gate. Well done. It is the window. Three more pictures. Let's find the picture that starts with a W sound. Let's name the pictures. Earrings. Necklace. Watch. It's not the earrings. It's not the necklace. Well done. It is the watch. Now we have three more pictures. Let's find the picture that starts with a W sound. Let's name the pictures. Octopus. Jellyfish. Whale. It's not the octopus or the jellyfish. Well done. It is the whale. Let's read some words that starts with a W sound. W, e, t, wet, wet, Let's read another word. W, e, w, e, n, w, e, n. Win. Let's read our last word now. W, a, t, ch, w, a, ch, w, a, ch. Watch. Well done, everyone. Super work. Fantastic job. Now, are you ready for your sticker? Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that. You have a lollipop sticker. Fantastic job. Well done. Now, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.